Learning to fly from the right seat is proving to actually be harder than learning to fly for the first time.
All sorts of off. Center line. I don't like this at all. We're going around. 20 degrees. If we're not at least rotating by the 1,000-footers, we're going to assume something's wrong. Pull power, stay on the ground. Once we rotate, we're going to pitch. That was a late go. We're going to pitch up to 59 knots.
My first time landing from the right seat was in our club's old straight tail 172, November 8707 Bravo, which had since been sold. Those landings, though uncomfortable, overall went pretty well. So for this flight in November 124 Echo Echo, I had the confidence of my previous right seat landings combined with my comfort in 4 Echo Echo from my instrument training. I would soon learn that I was definitely overconfident and walked away from this flight feeling a mix of emotions, ranging from humbled to humiliated.
Tower Skyhawk 124 Echo Echo, ready 10, it'll be a short delay on the runway.
Skyhawk 124 Echo Echo Watchtower, roger. And runway 10, clear for takeoff, make left traffic.
10 clear for takeoff, left traffic, Skyhawk 124 Echo Echo. Okay, fuel is both, flaps are 10 degrees, mixture's rich, carb heat is off, we're all lit up, final is clear. Mags and masters both look both. Can you check the primer for me, just make sure we're good there?
In and locked.
Thank you.
I almost didn't publish this video because it was a pretty embarrassing performance on my part. But for the sake of learning and showing my progress, and hopefully encouraging others to move past the bad days, I decided to swallow my pride and share the struggles that accompany my successes.
Okay, I see a 10 on the runway. Hard on the brakes. Full power. Temperatures, pressures green, EGT's looking good. Let's go. Right rudder. No crosswind to worry about. Airspeed's alive. And climbing. There's 40. We're ignoring the checklist. More right rudder. Oh, she really wanted to fly, hey.
650 runway 10.
Holy cow.
10, option for your track.
Okay, there's 59. Actually need quite a bit of... almost down there. There's the trim. Now we can start accelerating to 73. We're 50 feet. And he said left traffic?
Hey, firm.
Alright. There's 73 flaps coming up. God, this is a terrible... No center line at all, no airspeed at all.
It's perfect. And that's how you demonstrate a not perfect short
Right.
field takeoff.
I don't know where I'm going.
Oh, I love doing pattern work.
Not with me, you're not going to after today. Oh man, this just feels wrong and weird.
From the right?
Yeah.
Cessna 4 Echo Echo, runway 10, clear for the option.
Clear the option 10, Cessna 4 Echo Echo. Okay, 70, we gotta start bringing her down to 65. There's 65.
And 104, you should have just passed over top of them, no factor now.
All sorts of off. Center line. I don't like this at all. We're going around. 20 degrees. 4 Echo Echo's going around.
Oh, you're saying ATP did a late go around.
10 degrees, I know, right?
Those are good practice ones though, right? When you're
That was terrible.
2 feet above the runway. I was looking great.
Well, the problem is I took a glance at my airspeed, and then I lost all focus on where I was on the runway.
Sure. Yeah, you gotta look way over. Like, can you even see the analog?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's alright.
We're gonna take it out just a little wider, give myself a little extra time to get it all squared away.
Oh yeah.
Cessna 4 Echo Echo runway 10, clear for the option.
Clear the option 10, Skyhawk 4 Echo Echo.
Pakistan Tower, Sound Tower 6104 is established on the localizer 10.
Oh boy.
Oh boy.
Sound 104, roger, continue for 10, your number 2.
We'll keep it tight.
Cessna, they're just turning a left base.
We are now.
Yeah.
Coming in a little high, pull a little power. Watch our airspeed. This is not pretty at all. Both flaps. That should stabilize our airspeed.
Runway 10, clear for the option. Witness.
Clear for the option 10 report missed. We'll be doing the full approach for the VOR Alpha after this. 104.
Roger.
A little more power now, we don't need it anymore. Oh boy. Oh Jesus. Full power. And just like Alright, 20 degrees.
Alright. Get you going in the right seat a bit more, huh?
10 degrees. And your airplane.
My airplane? Alright, my airplane. I was almost noticing, I was thinking maybe on final, I don't know if you're looking over at the airspeed almost too much, chasing
Yeah,
it a little
I
versus
was.
having more of that sight picture.
And you know the controller recognizes my voice and he's probably thinking, what the hell is that? The winds are right down the runway, I can't blame that.
Well, you blame the right seat. That's a pretty big change up. We'll see.
This one feels a lot different than 07 Bravo.
Oh, it does. I think this is kind of a tough 172 to land, honestly. It just seems kind of heavy.
John took a few laps at the controls, including slow flight over the runway, which gave me a chance to really see the sight picture I needed on short final and in the flare from the right. Then, it was my turn to try again.
Alright, your controls?
My controls.
I'm done. I quit.
You quit.
I quit.
Let's get out of this Super Cubs way.
Oh, I got the Archer. Below the horizon.
Okay. 4 Echo Echo has the Archer in sight.
4 Echo Echo, roger, number 2, runway 10, clear for the option.
They're just
Number 210 clear for the option, Skyhawk 4 Echo Echo. Yeah, I got him.
nice straight in, calm wind. Should just about be able to do power and trim.
Should be able to.
Rudder. A little more left rudder. There we go.
Okay, that was a little scary, but mixture, flaps, full power.
Got it made. And I was noticing the two of them. It almost, I
And
don't
104,
know,
the Cessna you're following.
coming over the
right base
runway,
now.
it almost seemed like you were
104, we got traffic inside. We're
physically
gonna turn
leaning
to a
over
left
to the
down
right a
line.
little bit
Okay.
versus just sitting.
104, roger, and the
upright.
Howard approach, terminate.
Full stop, 104.
I'm not
104,
positive,
roger,
but
runway 10, clear to land, number 2.
We're going number 2, Southbound 60104.
Like I was leaning the plane to the right?
like, no, you yourself, I feel like almost in your seat.
Oh, I gotcha.
Sorry if I Tango right down 110, we got both arriving traffic in sight.
Alright, this
Tango,
will bring
roger,
me
you're
nicely
following
to
the Sundown
65
Air
over the numbers.
base. Number 3, runway 10, clear for the option.
The 310 clear for the option.
Alright, we'll stay where I need to
Behind
be.
him for 85 Tango.
A little too much.
Bravo 217, walks around, runway 10, taxi via Bravo Alpha.
Oh boy. Oh boy, full power. Let's get the hell out of here.
It's looking good.
I know. 20 degrees.
You went up on the crosswind, the
I-
yoke?
yeah.
Once-
There's not even that bad of a crosswind.
It seems like there's more than, I think, what the windsock's telling us.
Alright, you want to take us home?
No, I can't.
Alright, he didn't tell us anything else, so...
Work record, you can go back to left traffic.
Left traffic for Echo Echo.
Cessna 85 Tango, switch to left traffic on the go.
Left traffic on the go for 85 Tango.
Yeah, it was looking awesome.
I know.
It was gonna be great. You're working so hard, you touch down, you're like, oh, I'm done.
You don't want to fly it anymore?
I'll do one more after.
Alright. This will be my last attempt.
Cessna 124 Echo Echo, runway 10, clear for the option.
Clear the option, 104, Echo Echo. Alright, we're doing this one. I mean, the approach looks nice. Coming in at 65. Could probably bring out just a hair of power. Airspeed's looking good. A little bit of a gust. Not too bad. Get back over center line. Back over center line and left rudder. Don't let it balloon. Holy shit.
Got it. Oh, you got it. All day.
Oh, alright, copy. Oh, power. Right rudder.
Look at that, on center.
Tower, Cessna 5485 Tango, 6 point left downwind, runway 10, be full stop.
Cessna 85 Tango,
Let's get
roger,
off the ground
down.
already.
Extender downwind, you'll call our base, Cessna 85 Tango.
Archer 695 Alpha, walks tower, runway 10, clear for takeoff, and I just want to confirm you're going to go.
And whenever you're ready, it's your airplane.
Okay, my controls?
Your control.
Southbound, 695 Alpha.
I'm done.
You're done?
I'm fried.
I'll have to do it again sometime.
I need to just set it in the flare and just like the easy bake oven, just set it and forget it. Like just
Yeah. I definitely over controlling it.
yeah.
Big corrections back and forth.
John took us around for one more lap and tried to touch down right at the 500 foot markers while doing a power off 180, hoping that we would end the day on a positive note.
I don't know.
You got it.
I don't know.
Just got you only got 20 degrees in, so you'll be able to glide a little. Oh boy.
Oh, I think I got it. I think. Oh no!
I think you even had just a little left. You still would have been a little short, but better than I would have done.
Shoot, those are fun to toy with. They're fun to practice. They're not fun to have to do on the check ride because it's
Right.
like pressure's on. 4 Echo Echo's going to Atlantic.
Cessna 4 Echo Echo, roger, taxi Alpha Echo.
Alpha Echo 4 Echo Echo.
My biggest takeaway from debriefing this flight was how important it is not to over control the plane. I was stressed and borderline scared when I would reach short final, and it led to a death grip on the yoke and drastic inputs, which of course then leads to an unstable approach. My confidence was shaken enough that I took some time off from the right seat, and the Skyhawk altogether. Because of this, my next few flights would all be in completely different planes. I hopped back into the left seat in the 235 for some grass landings. Then, I spent a week full of trying out different planes, including my first time in a Cirrus and my first time flying a retractable gear airplane. Those videos are coming soon, but until then, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time on the Badger Pilot.
Are you just gonna fuel it right away?
Yep.
Perfect. And then I might still go to a lap or two just to try and redeem myself.
Thank you. From the left seat, of course.
Just give it a go.
Yeah, full send. I know I can get it down, it's just not pretty.